This single-family home in Ocean Point has over 3,000 square feet of living space, great for entertaining and relaxing. The house has many upgrades, including 48 solar panels with 2 backup batteries and a guest room separate from the home. I hope you enjoy the tour. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know what your thoughts were in the comments below. If you want to schedule a private showing, I'm going to put up my contact information right here. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really motivates me to put out more video tours like this one. Again, I'm Sandy from eXp Oahu. Hope to see you again soon.